In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download chess.com on your PC step by step. If you enjoy playing chess online, solving puzzles, or learning new strategies, installing chess.com on your computer can give you a much smoother and faster experience compared to constantly opening it in a browser tab. The great part is that this method is quick, completely free, and only takes about a minute to set up. By the end of this video, you'll have chess.com installed on your PC like a dedicated app that you can launch anytime from your desktop. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser on your PC. This method works best with browsers like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Once your browser is open, go to the address bar at the top and type in chess.com, then press enter. This will take you directly to the official chess.com website where you can play games, access puzzles, watch lessons, and join the chess community. If you already have an account, you can sign in, but you don't actually need to sign in just to install the app version on your PC. After the website loads, look carefully at the right side of your browser's address bar. In Chrome and Edge, you'll see a small installation icon that looks like a computer screen with a downward arrow or a small install symbol. This icon indicates that the website supports installation as a desktop app. Click on that install icon. A small pop-up window will appear asking if you want to install chess.com on your computer. Simply click the install button in that window. Your browser will now create a standalone app version of chess.com that runs separately from your regular browser tabs. Once the installation finishes, chess.com will automatically open in its own window. You'll notice it looks and behaves just like a normal desktop application. From here, you can log into your account, start a new chess game, solve puzzles, watch lessons, or analyze your matches. The best part is that the app launches quickly and stays separate from your browser tabs, which helps keep things organized while you play. If you want even quicker access, you can pin the chess.com app to your taskbar. Simply right-click the chess.com icon on your taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. You can also create a desktop shortcut if your system hasn't already done that automatically. This way, you can open chess.com instantly whenever you want to practice or play a quick match, and that's it. That's the easiest way to download and install chess.com on your PC using Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Now you can enjoy a clean, app-like experience for playing games, solving puzzles, and improving your chess skills. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.